It's Faizan Ahmed Bhatti here. This video is about the term project of topic 4D modeling and simulation collaborating with Primavera P6 with Autodesk Navisworks. For the 3D modeling, I used Autodesk Revit 2018. Here you can see the 3D BIM model that I created using Revit. I exported this 3D model for the Navisworks through the Add-ins tab using the external tools and by clicking here on the Navisworks 2018. When you click here, click Save. It will generate NWC Navisworks file type. This is the Excel file that I exported from Primavera P6 after scheduling the project in Primavera P6. After opening this Excel file, I'll go to File and Save As. I will select the file type as CSV, delimited and save it. Now we are at the Autodesk Navisworks Manage 2018. I have splitted the screen into three so that we can view the model from different angles at the same time. I'll go to the Home tab and select the timeliner. Here you can see the tasks which I have already added, but I'll show you how I did it. We'll go to the Data Sources tab in the timeliner window and click Add. Here you can see the CSV import option. We will click on it and select the CSV file that we created earlier from the Excel. Here is the source file that I already uploaded. After adding this file, we will right click on this and click Rebuild Task Hierarchy and then go to the tasks. All the tasks will be appearing here. And for attaching the elements to each task, we can select an element from the model and right click on the attached column for any tasks and set attach file whatever you want for the corresponding tasks. After doing this, when it is completed, you can go to the Simulate tab and click the play button. Here you can see from three different angles that how the model is created. It shows the model at different stages of the construction. Here you can see the model is now completed. Now I'm going to play the video of simulation separately here so that the model at different stages is visible clearly. The simulation is now completed and the project ends here. Thank you.